Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the Felici. Nope, this is the Pochette Accessoire Damier Ebene, and I got this pre-loved, and today I'm going to unbox it and share with you how it looks like. And this is actually discontinued from the website, Louis Vuitton website and the stores already. So I had to get this one pre-loved, and okay, so I got the paper wrapping removed already, and now here's the tissue, and look, here's the dust bag for the, again, Pochette Accessoire Damier Ebene, and then here it is. This is the bag. Okay. And this is the older version with the shorter strap. Don't know if you can see. Okay. And I really like it. It's really soft. This is the canvas. And this is the zipper. So again, it was pre-loved. So it's a bit worn on the zipper here, but it's still very buttery soft and in the zipper. And here it's inside, it is red, and the date code, let me see. The date code is here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so it says here, it is the C, it says here, I want to stretch out. CA4161. Okay, again, this is the Damier Ebene. Let's see. The front is really perfect. The side also very perfect. And here is another piece of canvas along here. So there's 1, 2, 3 pieces of canvas. And I bought this pre-loved, but everything still looks really good. See the strap, you can see here. It says Louis Vuitton. I don't know if you can see it. And the strap is still in really good condition. It is pre-loved, so it's a little bit worn here, but it's still in perfect condition. It's just a little bit unsmooth here because it is pre-loved, but everything else is good. So the zipper here, it's a little bit worn from usual wear and tear. That's okay. And then here it says, I don't know if you can see. This is made in Spain. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, so this is it. I think it measures 8 by 5, and I think it's about almost 2 inches in depth. And it actually packs a lot. I watched a lot of reviews for the Pochette Accessoire. It packs more than the Eva clutch, and it is actually wider, thicker than the Pochette Felici. And yeah, I really like it. I mean, it is pre-loved, but they do not sell this on the website anymore, and I just really love it. It's soft and the zipper is still really, really good. It's buttery soft. And it came with the dust bag. And so I'm going to do another video showing you the type of things I'm planning to pay. Alright, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And if you haven't already, to click subscribe. Thanks.